I am a water park enthusiast. I've been to and worked at water parks all across the country. And take it from me, SPAR Waterpark here in Sulphur, Louisiana is one of the best. This is Splash and Play Island in Patcho's Splash Pad. Children love it because they can splash in the water, play in the bubblies, and experience water for the first time. Parents love it because they can watch their children and lounge in our chairs. For the under 48-inch crowd, the Splash and Play Island is a favorite place to be. They can play around in the mushroom, experience our wall of water, or the 500-gallon tipping bucket that splashes water every 2 minutes. SPAR Waterpark has several thrill rides. We have the Green Monster, Blue Dragon, and the Yellow Twisted Serpent. The Green Monster is a tube ride, the Body Slide is our Blue Dragon, but the Yellow Twisted Serpent, it's fast, aggressive, and dark. These are the most popular attractions at SPAR Waterpark. They're 4 stories tall, dark, and fast. Built in 2016. We have the purple slide, which is the constrictor slide. The blue and green is our Super Bowl. It's kind of like a toilet bowl, and they splash out into the pool. In 2016, we opened Parrot Island. Parents love this because they can stay close by in the lounge chairs or in the beach area. Toddlers love it because there's plenty of slides, plenty of play structures for them to enjoy. But beware the Tiki God. You never know when he's going to dunk. Just like that. If going with the flow is more your speed than the raging river is for you. 3 feet deep, almost 2 football field lengths long, and waves crashing every 20 minutes. Or hang out on the beach and get a tan. Come to the raging river. Leave the ice chest at home. We have everything you need here. From bottled water, Powerade, and Munchies, like pizza and hot dogs and everything in between. Want to party in the park? Canopy rentals are available and party packages to suit your needs. I hope you've learned a lot more about SPAR Waterpark today. We look forward to seeing you. I'll save an icy for you.